Hello, digital people.
Hello.
I'm Jon Scieszka.
I'm Steven Weinberg.
And we're up in the Catskills, hiding out, social distancing, also meeting deadlines.
Absolutely.
We are working
You're
so
looking
hard.
right now at AstroNuts Book 3 in process. You're in my studio.
You're in Steven's studio.
That's the start of the book.
Oh, this looks like great writing. 4, 3, 2,
That's
1.
the end of the book. That is Waldo.
Oh, and our assistant, Waldo, helping. Sort of.
Kind of. Who
sleeping.
knows?
Dog sleeping.
Whew. Well.
But we have a spectacular thing to show you. We're going to show you how we've been making the book. And it's also a thing you can do for free.
With this booklet that we made with the Smithsonian. And you can download this for free on Smithsonian's website.
Yeah. You might have noticed that the astronaut books look... I mean, Steven is an excellent artist. But some of the art looks a little different.
I'm a very tall artist.
You're also a very tall artist. It looks like a lot of the art came from other places. Because it did.
Yes.
Steven has been collaging stuff that's online in museums. And museums want to get their artwork out there now. And they want you to use it. So please... we're going to show you how you can use artwork from the Smithsonian.
And we made this booklet called How to Make a Collagasaurus.
The AstroNuts have a mission. They have to create a Collagasaurus. And they don't know exactly where to get all the parts.
Who helps them?
Lucky for them, they go to the Smithsonian, and guess who they meet?
I think James Smithson.
Yeah, but you knew. That's easy for you to guess. It's actually the spirit of James Smithson because he's been dead for like 200 years.
Mm-hmm.
But he's the guy who gave all the money that started the Smithsonian.
It's pretty wild. He just in his will said, I want to start this. I like the idea. Go run with it.
He'd never been to America either. He just decided, why don't you guys start this? To create more knowledge, to diffuse knowledge. I mean, that was his idea. So the astronauts come whipping over to the Smithsonian. They say, oh, can you help us? We don't know what to do. He says, you guys are in luck. We are putting 3 million pieces online for people to use.
And from all of their museums. Well, most of all their museums.
What?
There's so many museums at the Smithsonian.
How many are there?
18.
That was a tough question.
Yeah.
I don't know either. But the zoo too, right?
The zoo, even animal pictures from the zoo, the archives.
A couple of museums in
Hirshhorn,
New York.
You can see them all.
The Postal Museum, don't forget that.
We use it. So they take pieces from all these museums, the astronauts do. Things like George Washington's hand from a Gilbert Stuart painting.
Charlie Parker's saxophone.
The Wright brothers' wing. I'm so bad at this.
The inverted Jenny from the Postal Museum.
And what do they
Just
make,
kind
John?
of fun. They make a Collagasaurus, which can do their secret mission. We're not even sure what the secret mission is.
It's that secret.
But it kind of looks like it's going to be a thing that an elephant-headed, salmon-bodied, winged, fork-tail thing with 2 hands can do.
There's a lot of use for that right now.
Yeah, yeah.
The beauty of this is you can go on Smithsonian's website, their open access portal, and download every single one of these pieces of art, and you can make your own.
You get this whole brochure, this handy-dandy brochure that Steven's holding here is available for everyone.
Yeah, for free.
And you make your own. Where do we go to? Smithsonian.com?
We'll put it on the bottom
we'll put
of
it
this.
on there.
There it is. SmithsonianSI.edu/open access.
So this is your insider secret. It's how AstroNuts is being made right now.
Absolutely.
Please go make your own.
Until next time,
Jon Scieszka,
Steven Weinberg.
AstroNuts.
Out.